Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in your Google Sheet document. So as you can see here guys, I have a sheet here and I just create a little section here called yes no, right? So let's say we're going to use this for some yes or no or some checkbox answers. And in order to insert the checkbox, all you have to do is just select the cell that you want to put it in and just go to insert at the top here, and in the list you'll find checkbox. You select it, and the good thing here, you don't have to put multiple checkbox into different cells. You just need to put one, and then towards the lower right hand side of this cell you have this little round circle here. You just need to hover over it, and then once you have that highlighter there or the icon changes, you just need to drag it down. Left click and drag it down to where you want it to end, and just let go, and it will just populate the rest of the cells for you. And that's it. No, so all you have to do, let's say you want to say yes or no, you can just check the box or leave it or check it. You get the general idea there. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and insert a checkbox in your Google Sheet document. It's very easy and very simple.